Let me do that again. So stress eating, I would say one of the biggest things to do is focus in on a daily routine, because right now our whole daily routine has gotten jacked up. So what I would really focus in on is I get up every day, I have X, Y, and Z to eat pretty much. So like breakfast, I'm having a healthy breakfast. This is my normal routine, whatever I'm doing. And then lunch, same thing. Dinner, same thing. And then anything at night, you want to put in something that is like a better choice than whatever that you're leaning towards. So for instance, you want to get ahead of the stress eating. So if you know it's going to be at night, then you want to have maybe a little bit bigger of a dinner. All right. If it's in the afternoon when you're getting tired, maybe it's as simple as having something different like tea. Like, so if it's like a beverage, maybe just switch it up to a healthier beverage. The other thing is, if you are going to have something that's not great for you, do it right after your workout. That's your best bet for your body to actually metabolize it well and absorb it. But that's really what I would say. Really stick to the routine, and anything outside of it, it's not good, but it won't kill you. It's just letting it throw you totally off your routine into like multiple meals that are stress eating. Okay. So what is that? Does that answer your question a little bit? Somewhat. I
Yeah.
mean, there's no miracle to it because you're stress eating. You're under a tremendous amount of stress right now. Anytime there's uncertainty, it creates stress. So you either have to fix the uncertainty, or you have to kind of like just block it out, So just something you got to slightly deal with.